Hi, I'm Rossana. Welcome to my rooftop garden in Brooklyn, New York. I began growing vegetables and herbs about 8 years ago. Let me show you around. We're going to hear a lot of urban noise. This is definitely not the country. I started the garden with a regular ceramic container that you can find at the hardware store. The rooftop garden gets direct sunlight all day long, so I did a little research and found a research online, and I found these rectangular containers called the self-watering containers from gardeners, and that's how I found gardeners.com in Vermont. I'm growing beets, I'm growing lots of herbs, arugula here, some marigolds and basil. The marigolds, as all gardeners know, they are great for keeping the pests away. In the rectangular containers, I love to grow this very easy tomato, which is the sweet million and the golden million. And I love the idea of coming up here and being able to pick tomatoes and eat them directly from the plant. That's a plus in the city. I grow lots of perennials for birds, for butterflies and bees. The other planter that I am enjoying and using is the honeycomb planter, also very compact for the city. I'm growing peppers and eggplant, and the amount of eggplant, these are fingerling eggplant, so they are small and grow fast, and the amount of eggplant that I've been picking from this plant is quite impressive for such a small size. The other container that I started using this year is called the Revolution Classic, and I love the idea to have something still compact for the city, but obviously larger than what I was using, so you get a lot more fruit than before. And I'm growing these beautiful heirloom tomatoes called the Black Prince. They have very earthy flavor. Again, it's good medium size for that kind of planter. Other things that I'm doing on this side of the garden, of course, growing greens that will get better as the weather cools off, and expanding the herb garden into more of a medicinal herb garden with chamomile and eucalyptus and echinacea, lots of flowers and roses, lantanas, butterflies love to visit, and more herbs, petunias, aloes, geraniums. And the Revolution Classic planter also comes with this trellis, and it has been the best year growing cucumbers. I love to grow these Persian cucumbers. They are so delicious and refreshing during the summer. Thank you for visiting.